Good YouTube, it's your boy Trey. It's your boy Tay. We back with another video. So today we doing a mukbang. I'm eating seafood. And Trey eating some.
I'm eating some Popeyes.
This is big. Look how big that is.
Alright, we're gonna start eating them. I got some spicy chicken tenders from Popeyes.
I got stormy seafood. Stormy crab. It's a seafood place. It's good though. It's a lot of seafood in here. I got king crab legs, corn, shrimp, and potatoes, mussels, which is big. I ain't never had no mussels. Now eat that.
I was gonna buy me some seafood, but I didn't want to pay all that money, so
it was just $80. Well, 81 exactly, cause I got some seafood bread.
Where's your seafood bread?
Oh, I ate it all.
In the car? Big, I like those. Oh my god, I done spilled this.
I took my head out because I'll be right back. I gotta go to sit.
Got me this dry biscuit right here from Popeyes. I know they biscuits be dry.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be telling a story.
And I got me some what's it called?
Some mashed potatoes and rice.
Gravy.
And gravy. So
I know that's the best.
And she was shy,
you know. She was shy. But you give me one shrimp.
Yeah, just a little.
Sucking it down like that.
Just a little salty.
I like my hat. Louis Vuitton. No, it's my brother's hat. So I don't think they want to hear the story no more.
Okay.
Comment down below if we should do more mukbangs. If y'all like the mukbangs. We're not comment down below, but never mind.
Yeah, comment down below.
Yeah, you have to comment down.
Y'all like seeing mukbangs or
what y'all want to see on the channel?
If our mukbangs boring, which is to seem boring to me, because
we ain't got nothing to talk about, really.
Let's say how our day been. So our day was good. We went to Walmart to go get Walmart, and we went to my granny house, our granny house. And what else we did today? We went to I went to go get me some seafood.
We woke up and brushed our teeth and stuff. We played a little GTA. Went to Walmart. He was trying to get some glasses. Because he broke his glasses, so I'm trying to find some new glasses. Went to our granny house. Seen them. Then we came. We got some food. He ordered his food. Then I got my food, and we went to the house and filmed a video. We filmed a video now, so.
Oh fuck.
So how long is that the video to be? Good, bro.
Oh, the shit got in me. The stuff got in my eye. Oh fuck. I can't see.
You need nothing.
Oh fuck.
Oh snap. Yeah.
Ooh, my eye burning. Ooh.
But the different.
Ooh, y'all, that shit got in my eye. I mean, stuff.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got some Sprite, too. It's a little watery, but... Should've just got a water, but... Mad watery.
Yeah, this seafood good. It's a little salty, though.
What you get, heat?
Uh-huh.
I'm done with my food.
And I got some water, y'all. My gloves ripped because they...
I need to try it. Like, when y'all go to Popeyes, dip y'all chicken and y'all mashed potatoes and gravy. Everything good. Comment down below if y'all like Popeyes biscuit. They dry to me. I don't be eating them.
That's good. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this to be so salty.
You should just made your own seafood sauce.
I think they went a little overboard with the salt. But it is good, though.
I'm a little fool, bro.
I'm about to take this glove off because it's ripped.
Just eat it with your hand. Let me get a piece of shrimp, bro.
Y'all,
let me get that.
It's the hard king crab. They ripped the gloves. So that's how I be eating with my hands.
Y'all like snow crabs or king crabs?
I like king.
I like king because it got more meat in it.
Yeah, they taste better.
They're hard to pull though, and them things sharp.
Yeah, it is sharp as all like those. Y'all, this stuff keep popping in my eye.
Comment down below what pranks we should do. I don't know what prank to do.
Yeah, go follow my Instagram and like my recent posts. Cause I posted today. I posted some pictures today. My and it will be in the description, but I just say it right now. My Instagram is braceface braceface dot braceface _ dot Tay. And his Instagram is Trey Hit Him Up. TREHITEMUP24. Yeah, that's our stuff though. But you'll be in the description.
We made a twin page and we have a post.
Yeah, she loves twins, which we will be. We probably will be posting on 4th of July because I'm gonna get my clothes.
We ain't got nothing clothes really.
Yeah, we gonna go.
We got some, but we already worn before.
Yeah, we ain't wearing.
We are picture book. Our other account got
deleted.
Deleted. I don't know.
Well, it ain't deleted. It's just
we forgot the password.
Yeah, it's not.
I'm full, bro.
This will be much better, y'all. Y'all, he ate something before this. He ate something.
It was some cookout.
It was nasty.
It wasn't that good. I ain't gonna lie. The shake was decent. I still got it in the fridge. I don't want it. Probably gonna eat it later, but I don't know. Might not eat it. I don't even like the spice water.
And tell us how was y'all 2020 this year? Ours was. It was alright, I guess. We did have relatives die, but it was okay, I guess.
Damn, it's hot, bro. This jacket hot.
And how was y'all Christmas? And what did y'all get?
Yep. We got a whole bunch of clothes and money.
Yeah, and workout stuff.
Yeah.
We work out, so.
It's hot, bro.
Now look how big this is. This muscle's so big.
Now look, you got nothing left. Got one chicken tender left. So it's a whole bunch of me. Let me get that, bro.
That's saving. I'm saving that. I actually forgot about it.
Let me get a piece.
Oh no.
Let me get a shrimp. Seafood sauce, salty or just that?
Y'all, seafood my favorite food.
Huh? That seafood sauce?
What about it?
Was it salty, that one?
Oh shoot, y'all. I ain't trying to get my new stuff dirty.
Let's see why I bought my... Oh yeah, I can't see it. Never mind.
It's the Air Pastas hoodie. He bought me some puffy jacket as well. Well, a bubble coat. But I can't wear it because I ain't trying to mess my stuff up.
I was joking.
I just got a notification
I'm cool, bro.
from Instagram. You
Let me
know,
get a shrimp.
while we getting full, so
You full too?
I'm
Oh, you
full.
barely even ate now. That biscuit, bro. That biscuit nasty.
I'm gonna eat a couple more bites and we're gonna end out the video. So I'm getting full, and we will be posting.
I don't know. We'll probably post next week.
Next week on Monday.
We
might
this
be-
week. No, probably this, if it's not this week, it's next week.
We might post on. We could do a.
Firework? Nah, we ain't got no fireworks really. Ain't that on January? I mean, New
No,
Year's?
it's not on New Year's. That's 4th of July.
Oh, never mind. Never mind now. Ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, we could have done Guess That Song. We said some lyrics.
A 15-minute video. 15 minutes. Make sure our video in 20 minutes. We gonna cut it short. Do y'all want shorter video or longer video? I mean, not longer, but
Yeah,
the video
or
we been posted. Like
A
30
longer
minutes.
video, like 30-minute videos. Or 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm about to eat this shrimp, and I'm full.
I'm gonna eat the rest of this.
I don't know how I'm full already, but I'm getting full. I barely ate. There's a lot of meat on this, y'all. So, and y'all, I did eat some seafood bread earlier, so. Ooh, I'm full. And plus, I drank a lot of water too, so.
Well, you only drank one bottle of water, probably.
No, I drank some water this morning.
I only drank one bottle of water today. I ain't drinking. I might pour this out, but it's watery. I'm just drinking. I'm thirsty.
No, this is so good though.
I'm done.
It'll be good with some rice.
Got some more potatoes left, but no, I might eat it. Might not. This sauce, like, I got spicy chicken tender, so when you use this sauce, it's kind of too hot. It's not too hot, but like, I don't want no hot food right now, so.
Alright, y'all, you back in the video. Ooh, I'm full. Okay. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow our social medias, which will be in the description down below. Turn on your post notifications. And comment some video ideas, because we don't have any. And comment some prank ideas to do on my brother or my mom. Yeah. So, make sure you share this video. And that's about
See
it.
y'all in the next video.
Bye.
Yeah.